Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage? Whatever. Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? I call him TP, the Tesla picker. He picking for a Tesla, y'all. You know what? But this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all that we pick in the hood too. Yes, yeah. Whatever, y'all. I forgot some of the stuff I usually say, but anyway, y'all, this is a what sold video today, and I sold, like, in the past 2 days, I sold 10 items. And I forgot to total it up, y'all, but it come over, it's easily over $300 worth of stuff. 10 items. I'm trying to grow my beard back, and it's kind of itching. But anyway, y'all, I'm kind of off my game today, but I'll be back on this pretty soon. I'm just making this video right here. It just came all of a sudden, so I just, lost some of the things I was saying. But don't worry about that. You know what I'm saying? They'll come back, tell me one day, I'm old. See how old I am? So sometimes we forget stuff. You know what I'm saying? So this videos are raw. I ain't cutting nothing. I ain't doing nothing. Plus, I don't know how to do it anyway if I did. So whatever. So what you see is what I say. That's it. So the first thing, I'm going to start low and I'm going to go high. I sold this PC game. Diablo. $9. When you all out, please look for PC games. I sold Star Wars PC games. I sell PC games all the time. They ain't nothing but like $1 at the thrift store. I paid 50 cents for this. I got 2 of them at the same time. I sold it for $9. So look out for this stuff, y'all. PC games. Don't pass this stuff up. Okay. Next thing, I bought these 2 light bulbs. I got probably about 20 of them. I was at a thrift store one day, and the box said $2. But I looked in there, and they had $1 a piece on them. So I took them up to the front. I said, this box said $2. They gave it to them for $2. But each one of these is supposed to be $1 a piece, I guess. I don't know. All I know is the box that they was in said $2. And I got about 20 of them. I sold these for $12. So if you calculate that, I don't know how much I got into it. Probably about a quarter or something a piece or whatever. I don't know. I can't add it. I'm not a math major, so I don't know. All I know is I sold these for $12 and I paid a little or nothing for them. I don't know what to tell y'all. Get the stuff. The next thing, this hat right here. Everybody been sending me offers on this hat. All I wanted was $12 for it. People were sending me saying $6. What? I had this hat on there for about 6 months. People been sending me $5 bids on it. So somebody finally paid $12 for it. They wanted it bad, this Volkswagen hat. A whole lot of people wanted it. But I'm not selling it for no $6. Sorry. I'll keep it on there forever. But it was a real sought after item. Somebody finally paid $12 for it. I don't know what to tell y'all. I got time to wait. eBay ain't charging me to well, actually, they are charging me. But anyway, I'm going to keep it on there forever. If I ain't selling it for no $5, I sold it for $12. So this hat sold for $12, VW hat. It's a vintage hat, too. You could tell. See how puffy that is? It's puffy as hell. Look at the bib. It's puffy. Then the inside of the hat. See that? Right there? Anyway, this is an old hat. People wanted this hat bad. About 50 people sent me bids on. I never had that many people send me a bid on the hat. Anyway, next up, I sold these pencils, these vintage pencils, pencil refills. $15. I paid 25 cents a piece for them. I've been selling them like crazy. Every time I go to the thrift store, I look for something like this. This old, I sold probably about 12, 15 of them already. You know, this is the last. Now I got 2 more because I couldn't put so many in 3 sets of 3s. So I got 2 more that I ain't even list yet because I had so many, and I had 2 left after putting them in sets of 3s. But these are the last set of 3s right here, $15. And you know, I had probably about 8 sets of these, and they sell probably once every month and a half or every 2 months or whatever. I don't care. They still was on there, and I still was making $15. So I don't care. Whenever you buy them, you just buy them. I don't care. I keep them on there forever. Like I told y'all, I keep stuff on there forever. But if I tell you this, if the price is reasonable, like if these people would offer me $10 for that hat, I would have probably sold it. You know what I'm saying? But you lowballing for $5, $6, and everybody was doing the same thing. You know, I would have sold it for $10, but I'm not selling it for no $5. You know, but anyway, let's keep going, y'all. The next thing I sold was, let me get my list out. Next thing I sold was the speed stacks right here. I paid $2 for these the other day. If you all don't know what this is, you ever seen them guys like stacking these cups, stacking them and they push a button? That's what this is. This is called a speed stack. This is probably about my 5th time selling this. This one right here is more sophisticated than the ones I used to sell though. But anyway, I sold this for $25. I just bought it the other day and put it on. Okay, next up is I did the light, did the hat, did the pencils. This book right here. Please, y'all, go to the book section and look at stuff. If something look interesting to you, look at it and look it up. This, I was gonna pass it up because I thought it was just a regular binder. I open it up, and it's got hair samples in it, dye samples for hair. Now, I sold one before. I want to say probably about 3 or 4 months ago. But from the same store now, I went in there the other day and I saw 2 of them in there. I said, what the hell? So the same store had 2 more. But it took me 6 months to get these other 2. But anyway, I looked them up again because it's been 6 months since I looked at them and sold that other one. I looked it up. This one sold for $39. You know the reason I sold it for $39? Because it's got 12 pages. My other one, I think I sold it for $29. I think it probably had 12 pages. This got 15 pages in it. Anyway, so I sold this for $39. I paid $1 for it. Books are $1 in your stores. Most of the stores. I paid $1 for this. Okay? $39. This was the other day. And I listed it fast because I knew it would sell fast because the other one sold fast that I had. Okay? That was sold for $39. Then, I don't know if y'all remember this video I made, but I have found a bidet. It's a bowl bidet. I found a bidet for $2, right? I put it on eBay for $54. I got my $54. A bidet. It's water spray on your behind. You don't have to get a face cloth or nothing. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to wipe your behind with you. That's what this is. So somebody bought it so they can feel like they're rich. You know what I'm saying? You're not rich. It's a fake bidet. But you're not rich, though. You know what I'm saying? But you bought it, so I don't know what to tell you. If it worked, it worked. I don't know if it works or not. I don't know. Anyway, let me see what else. Oh. When you all out there, look for this. This is a remote control for a fan. Ceiling fan. If you find them open, say you don't find them in the package. If you just find this unit right here, you can still sell that for $20-something. This right here sold for $42. I had on there for $49 or whatever. Somebody offered me $42. I took it. $42. This piece right here, you don't even have to have this electric part piece. This remote control, if you find that, that's $22. Okay, that's it. I just want to tell y'all that. Okay, that's sold for $42. $42. Then, remember I told you I found 2 of those books. This is the second one I found. It sold soon after that one. The second one I found. This book sold for $49. I put it on the $49 because it got 22 pages. Look at all that hair in there. All the dyed hair. Look at that. 22 pages. So, I don't know what to tell y'all. I paid $1 for these. I sold it for $49. People sopped it up. They sopped it up like it was like it's gravy. It had a biscuit, and they sopped it up. They sopped that up fast too. I'm just telling you. I had that on there for 2 days. So these sales are, I'll tell you what, these sales are for the last two days. So that's what they from, the last 2 days. I sold 10 items in the last 2 days. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to make a what sold video and show y'all some of the stuff. But don't pass. Always go through the books. Y'all, I know a whole lot of y'all walk through there real fast. But just pass by the books to try to look at something. If something catch your eye, look it up and see if it sells. Okay? If I would have bought one of these before, I probably would have never passed by and saw it. I probably would have just put it back. But since I sold one before, I know what they sell for, and I grabbed it, especially for $1. Okay? Okay, y'all? So, I don't know if it's bad when you try to grow a beard again. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to make another video, so I don't know what to tell y'all. All I know is get out there, but wear your mask when you go in these stores. Get out there and look and try to find something unusual that you never sold before. Look at it, and it might be worth some money. That's all I got to say. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a whatever. Just comment. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. You know what I mean? But I just want to tell y'all, I'm Kevin from St. Louis. I've been reselling since 2002 on eBay, and I do eBay only. I don't do no other stuff because I'm old and I don't feel like learning nothing else. I'm just saying. I tried to do what's the name of that one thing? Posmosh or whatever. I tried to do that. It threw me off. But I did buy something from there before. Anyway, so I'm Kevin from St. Louis. And we pickin the hood too. Yeah. Peace.